Hi, my name is Rayshawn Coleman, and today I'm speaking about cooking. I was first introduced to cooking by my mom. At a young age, my mom would invite me into the kitchen and I would watch her create different cuisines from around the world. Just hearing the sounds of water boiling, food sizzling, and taking in the aromas was exciting for me. It also encouraged me to create my own dishes and even experience the culinary world for a moment. Whenever I begin cooking, I automatically think about how I want the food to look, taste, and smell. Cooking is an art form that allows me to think freely while creating flavorful dishes. I think that the best cooking happens when you can test the boundaries of a recipe. One of the most beautiful things about cooking is having the ability to prepare a dish and make someone feel better. In my eyes, cooking is the gift that brings families and people closer, one bite at a time.
So how was your day?
Good. Yours?